Hello viewers, welcome to weekly current affairs quiz. In this video, we are going to discuss the current affairs from September 16th to 22nd. Thomas Cup and Uber Cup are related to which of the following sports? Tennis, throwball, basketball, badminton, table tennis. And the answer is badminton. When is World Water Monitoring Day celebrated? 16th September, 17th, 18th, 19th, 21st September. And the answer is 18th September. And we'll also see some information about each option. It's International Day for the preservation of the ozone layer. That means ozone day. It is celebrated on 16th September. And its theme is ozone for life. 35 years of ozone layer protection. And World Patient Safety Day, 17th September, and its theme is health worker safety, a priority for patient safety. Please do remember the different days, different important days. World Bamboo Day. It is celebrated on 18th September, and its theme is Bamboo Now. International Equal Pay Day. It is also celebrated on 18th September, and International Coastal Cleanup Day. Coastal Cleanup Day. It is celebrated on third Saturday. Third Saturday. That has come on 19th September this year. So its theme is achieving a trash-free coastline. So achieving a trash-free coastline. Please do remember the themes also, because themes are also very important these days. International Day of Peace. It is celebrated on 21st September, and its theme is shaping peace together. And World Alzheimer's Day. It is celebrated on 21st September, and its theme is let's talk about dementia. And World Monitoring Day. It is on 18th September, and its theme is solve water. Solve water. Next, Kosi Rail Mahasetu. It will be inaugurated in which of the following state? Karnataka, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Bihar, and Tamil Nadu. So we'll see the answer. The answer is Bihar. And we'll also see some information about each option. Karnataka government, it has launched Arthika Spandana loan dispersal. Arthika Spandana loan dispersal scheme. So loan dispersal program, that is Arthika Spandana. So the Gujarat government has launched Mukhyamantri Mahila Utkarsh Yojana, MMUY, and it will provide interest-free loans to women's groups in the state. And Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray, and he launched the statewide campaign, that is My Family, My Responsibility. Please do remember this. My family, my responsibility. Why? It is to curb spread of coronavirus pandemic. Curb means control. Tamil Nadu government, its CM Edapadi K. Palaniswamy, he launched a cyber security policy and blockchain policy and ethical artificial intelligence policy at Connect 2020. And PM Narendra Modi, he will inaugurate historic Kosi Rail Mahasetu mega bridge. It is in Bihar. Who of the following was the shortest serving governor of the Reserve Bank of India, who passed away recently? And the answer is Amitabh Ghosh. Nepal-based Angrita Sherpa, he was the first man to climb Mount Everest 10 times, and he passed away recently. Next, veteran scholar of Indian classical dancer, Kapila Vatsyayan, she passed away recently. And Maharashtra cricketer, former Maharashtra cricketer Sadashiv Patil. He passed away recently, and he is related to sports. Short serving Governor Amitabh Ghosh, who will inaugurate Vaishvik Bharatiya Vaignanik Vaibhav Summit, and Vice President, Ministry of Education, National Security Advisor, Prime Minister, none of the above. And the answer is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And Global Ayurveda Summit, it will be organized. It is being organized by CAI, that is Confederation of Indian Industry, Kerala, and it is in partnership with Ministry of Ayush. Global Ayurveda Summit, it has been inaugurated by Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu, and its theme is Emerging Opportunities for Ayurveda During Pandemic. And Ministry of Education organized a webinar on faculty development for quality education under Shikshak Parv initiative. The 10th meeting of the National Security Advisors, it was hosted by current chair of BRICS, that is Russia, and National Security Advisor is Ajit Doval. He represented India in that 10th meeting of National Security Advisors. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he will inaugurate this summit, Vaibhav Summit, on October 2nd through video conferencing. Sachin Deshmukh, he passed away recently. He was related to which of the following field? He was a cricketer. And Tamil Nadu based Indian prominent Indian Ayurveda physician P.R. Krishna Kumar, he passed away recently. And Tamil physician, I think it's not physician, Tamil director Babu Shivan. This is actually director Tamil director Babu Shivan, he passed away recently. And Rajya Sabha MP from Karnataka Ashok Gasti, he passed away recently due to COVID-19. Former Indian Sachin Deshmukh. Mahila Atmanirbharshil Achani program, it has been launched by which of the following bank? Bandhan Bank, Canara Bank, HDFC Bank, SBI, IDFC Mutual Fund. And this can be eliminated, fifth option, because it is not a bank. Mutual funds, SBI is the answer. Bandhan Bank, it has set up a new vertical called Emerging Entrepreneurs Business, EEB. And public sector lender, that is Canara Bank, it has launched a lead management system, LMS, lead management system. This might be one question in the examination about full form. iLead, this is also one of the question. Please do remember this also. iLead means Inspiring Leads System version 2, and it has been launched to provide its services to customers irrespective of where they reside. So LMS, please do remember LMS. L means lead management and system. HDFC Bank, it has launched a video KYC. KYC means know your customer facility for its customers. Volvo, and it has also partnered with Volvo Car India. HDFC Bank also partnered with Volvo Car India. Why? To launch Volvo Car financial services to enable buyers to get easy finance for its vehicles. And IDFC Mutual Fund, it has unveiled a new campaign, that is SIFI, or also SIP in SIP means systematic investment plans in fixed income. Why? It is to make investors more aware about the benefits of investing in fixed income products via SIPs. And SBI launched that, and it is launched Mahila Atmanirbharshil Achani, and it is a Women Self-Reliance Program. It is to accelerate self-help groups finance in the bank. Who has been appointed the brand ambassador of Paytm First Games (PFG)? Suresh Raina, Novak Djokovic, Simona Halep, and Sachin Tendulkar. None of the above. And the answer is Sachin Tendulkar. And online poker platform Nine Stacks, it has signed Suresh Raina as its brand ambassador, and Novak Djokovic, he defeated, and he's from Serbia, and he defeated Argentina. Diego Schwartzman and Novak Djokovic defeated this person to win Italian Open title in the men's single. And in women's single, Simona Halep, she defeated Karolina Pliskova to win her first, and she won her first Italian Open 2020. And Paytm PFG, it is the subsidiary of digital financial service platform Paytm, and it has roped in cricketer Sachin Tendulkar as its brand ambassador. Who has been given the additional charge of Food Processing Industries Ministry? So previously Harmanpreet Kaur Badal, he was the Food Processing Industry Minister. He resigned recently, and recently Narendra Singh Tomar was given the additional charge, and he was Agricultural Minister. And ADB has appointed Tekyo Konishi as its new country director for India. And Vinod Kumar Mishra, he was given additional charge as MD and CEO of Petronet LNG. He is presently serving as the director of Petronet LNG Limited. And former Prime Minister of India, H.D. Devegowda, he took oath as the member of Rajya Sabha from Karnataka. Narendra Singh Tomar, he was given the additional charge as the Food Processing Industry Minister. Who has been chosen to be honored with the prestigious Asia Game Changer Award? Margaret Atwood, Narendra Modi, Vikas Khanna, Udit Singhal, Arundhati Roy. We'll see the answer. Vikas Khanna. And Margaret Atwood, she won the 2020 Dayton Literary Peace Prize Lifetime Achievement Award. And Prime Minister Modi, he has been awarded Ig Nobel Prize for Medical Education for using the COVID-19 pandemic to teach the world that politicians can have a more immediate effect on life and death than scientists and doctors can. Please, I'll read it again once again. Why he got that? Why he was awarded that Nobel Prize, Ig Nobel Prize? It is for using the COVID-19 pandemic to teach the world that politicians can have a more immediate effect on life and death than scientists and doctors can have. Indian teenager Udit Singhal has been named in the 2020 class of 17 young leaders for the Sustainable Development Goals. And a new book titled Azadi, Freedom, Fascism, Fiction. It is authored by Arundhati Roy. Please do remember this. This is very important. Arundhati Roy's new book, Azadi, Freedom, Fascism, Fiction. And chef Vikas Khanna is a chef. He has been chosen for this Asia Game Changer Award. And which of the following country has become the first country in the world to issue a sovereign bond linked to sustainable goals? And these sustainable goals are set by UN, that is United Nations. Mali, Singapore, India, New Zealand, Mexico. We'll see the answer. Mexico. So Mexico has become the first country in the world to issue a sovereign bond linked to sustainable goals. Mali's former president Moussa Traore, he passed away recently, and its capital is Bamako, and its currency is West African CFA franc. And World Bank placed India at 116th rank in Human Capital Index. Please do remember that this is very important, and please also do remember the country which is at the top position, that is Singapore. And New Zealand, it has become the first country to mandate all financial entities to declare their climate related risk disclosures. So to declare their climate related risks disclosures. And Mexico, it has become the first country to issue sovereign bond, and these are set by United Sustainable Goals, linked to Sustainable Goals, and these are set by UN. And capital of Mexico is Mexico City, and currency is peso. Union Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri, he launched which of the following at Indira Gandhi International Airport? And this Indira Gandhi International Airport is in Delhi. Vistara, IATS, Ghartak Fiber, Skytrax, Private Jet Terminal. And the answer is Private Jet Terminal. And Vistara, it has become the first Indian carrier to offer in-flight Wi-Fi connectivity. So Indian carrier. So please do remember, Vistara, it has become the first Indian carrier to offer in-flight Wi-Fi connectivity. And Delhi Metro Rail Corporation, DMRC, it has developed indigenously built CBTC means communication based train control, and it is based on signaling technology called IATS. IATS full form is Automatic Train Supervision. And PM Narendra Modi, he launched Ghartak Fiber project to connect all the 45,945 villages of Bihar through optical fiber internet service. And Bihar has become the first Indian state to connect all the villages by OFC internet. Please do remember this. This is very, very important. And the Fiumicino International Airport, it is in Rome, Italy, and it has become the first airport in the world to be certified with COVID-19 5-star airport rating from Skytrax. It is a UK based airline review firm. UK based airport airline review firm. And FCO Fiumicino International Airport, it is also known as Leonardo da Vinci International Airport, and it is the busiest airport in Italy. And IGI, that is Indira Gandhi International Airport, it is in Delhi. And some extra information: 8 beaches of India, they have been recommended for Blue Flag certification. And it is announced by Union Minister of Environment and Forest and Climate Change. He is Prakash Javadekar. And these 8 beaches are Shivrajpur in Gujarat. Please do remember, this is very, very important, because there may be a question based on these beaches and their location. Please do remember. And Gogla, it is in Daman Diu. And Kasarkod, it is in Karnataka. And Padubidri beach, it is in Karnataka again. And Kappad, it is in Kerala. And Rishikonda, it is in Andhra Pradesh. And the Golconda beach of Odisha. Golconda beach, it is in Odisha. And Radhanagar beach, it is in Andaman and Nicobar. And these are the beaches that have been certified with the blue flag certification. Please do remember this. Once again, if you want, you can take the screenshot. Thank you. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel.